I'm going to cook our national dish, chicken rice, this morning.
What? Chicken rice?
I love it.
The black garlic. Did you ferment that yourself?
Yes, I did, and I would like to tell people how they can do it themselves.
Yeah.
So, black garlic have a few health benefits that are being reported, whether it's for immunity or it is for lowering of cholesterol and blood pressure. There's a difference between regular garlic and solo garlic. I'm not sure if people have seen this before. It was just wipe them down and you can put them into a rice cooker. You just turn it on, close it, and leave it alone for 2 weeks. Apart from it being delicious, it can also promote health. The GABA content. GABA is one of our happy neurotransmitters. It's very high in saturated fat, which is from the chicken skin or the chicken fat. And so now you can make chicken rice at home. Lots of flavor.
So the chicken just goes in with the rice.
Yes.
So it's kind of boiled, is it? Boiled and then steamed.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you can just close it and then cook it